Hello, everyone. A very good morning, good afternoon for the people who are sitting within US in different time zones, and good evening as well for the people who are sitting outside US and attending this webinar. I'd like to welcome you all on this webinar on the latest version 2022 of the standard ISO 27001 Information Security Management System. Before I move on with my profile and brief about my company and the rest of the slides, I like to highlight that there is a chat box available in all of your dashboards. So you can enter your questions in that chat area. I will try to answer them as much as I can, as much as possible towards the end of the webinar. And for those questions which may stay unanswered, we will try to formulate the answers of all of that and we'll circulate it, we'll email it to all the attendees so that all your questions will be answered. Brief about myself. So my name is Syed Arshad Hashmi. I'm the Director of Training at Bureau Veritas Certification North America. By profession, I'm an engineer and have more than 25 years of working experience as a trainer, auditor, and consultant for many ISO standards. The first 16 years of my career is working as a consultant, and then I started working with Bureau Veritas. So it's been good 11 years working with Bureau Veritas. I've done almost 140 consulting assignments. I've done 500 to 600 training sessions on different international standards, and I've done a number of audits. I've done audits and trainings globally, as you can see, and I have conducted a number of IRCA trainings, IRCA certified trainings for different ISO standards, among which ISO 27001 is one of them. So I've done a number of lead auditor trainings on ISO 27001 Information Security Management System. I'm also a certified information security manager, and I'm also a certified in risk and information system control by ISACA. About my Bureau Veritas. So Bureau Veritas is a global leader in testing, inspection, and certification. Our mission is to shape a world of trust by reducing client risk, improving their performance, and helping them innovate to meet the challenges of quality, health and safety, environmental protection leading to sustainability, enterprise risk management, and social responsibilities. It's a French company, so we are mostly clustered in Europe. Nevertheless, we are present in North and South America as well. And alone in North America, we have around 160 offices and labs in 50 states and Canada. So Bureau Veritas certification offering are all these certifications. And as you can see, that some of them are generic and some of them are industry specific. Like automotive industry, aerospace, they have their own certifications, food safety certifications. But then health and safety, quality, environment, information security, these are generic, as well as some of them are industry specific as well. So we provide certification against all these international standards, and we provide trainings against all these international standards. Today's webinar comprises of the concepts of information security, as I just told you, and then what are the operational risks that the organization faces, and then the business objectives versus information security. So what is the correlation? So that I can explain you that why information security is essential for every type of organization. And then you must have heard the term risk assessment. So I try to make a correlation on risk assessment versus information security so that you can understand the dynamics, that what are the different key elements within the information security management system and how they correlate to each other. And then, of course, I'll be discussing the new standard. So what has changed? Structure-wise changes, then clause-by-clause changes, then Annex A, the control changes. So I'll go in detail about all those changes, which is the very purpose of this webinar. And then I'll be addressing lastly the transition and certification timelines. So when it was published, how the different companies who are already certified to the 2013 version, what are their timelines, and those who are recently going for the certification. So how would they go towards the previous certificate, towards the current 2013 version, or towards the new version? What are the timelines on that? So I'll be discussing all of that. And then our training schedule and context. And lastly, I'll be taking your questions.